Right. I don't think we're gonna unwrap that. It's got a nice little clean space right here. We're gonna unbox these next. They're out of the frame, so you can't see them, but it's some other Bauer stuff, Harbor Freight power tools. Watch this before you buy the Bauer brushless 450 foot-pound nut busting torque 3/8 impact wrench. I'm gonna unbox this for you today, and hopefully the audio is good. There's some weird stuff going on in the background. Normally, I live in an area where you only hear nature, you can't hear my neighbors, but right now, you sure can hear them. It's pretty cool. I like this. I like what I'm looking at. I like what I'm looking at a lot. I am not going to be using this thing too much. So we'll oil the trigger, we'll pop it out, we'll unbox it, we'll look at some things, see what's going on. Did I get that? Questionable. Not best. Owner's manual. Ah, nice clip for the side. Probably install that. I'm not used to these coming with it uninstalled. Unobtainium. This is probably what you've been waiting for now. You would think they'd make this packaging a little bit nicer, you know, for being such an expensive tool. Just kidding. I got this for free from Harbor Freight. That's not necessarily greased. It's already scratched. But this just came free with, I don't know what, actually. Probably good to have this here. Pop her in. Whoa. Does this slide in underneath or it goes in on top? Yeah, she goes in on top. Not going to set this up, but that just goes right in there and screws in there. Pretty self-explanatory. If you need one of these, you're probably aware of that. We've got some batteries over here. Wow, that's a snug. Whoa. That is the nicest fit I've gotten on any of these. Pretty good trigger. I'm not even going to mess with this trigger. This is, wow. I'm not going to oil that or anything. Your action is ambi, obviously. Well, not ambi, but you know what I mean. Forward, reverse, on, off, tighten, loosen. Feels good. I am shocked how good that feels. That is, it. I know I sound like a crazy doing that, right? But normally these aren't snug. There's no shake. This feels like a Milwaukee. It really seriously feels like a Milwaukee. The only thing is, Milwaukees aren't going to have this big chunky battery at the bottom. They're going to have the little guy that pops right in there. And, you know, typically you get a 3 amp out of that, I think. Something like that. So it is what it is. But that's her. There's not much more to go over. If you want specs, just look them up online. I'm just here to show you what this looks like. A bird just flew out of my roof in this area. Okay, so yeah, that's her. I don't know what else to tell you, brother. 20 volt impact wrench, 3/8. This is, oh, it's 1/2 inch and 3/8. Say what? Oh, maybe this is just a manual for both of them. I'm pretty sure this is just 3/8. Yeah, this is just 3/8. That'd be weird. It's like fucking measurement fluid. All right, cool. Thanks for watching this video. If you want, subscribe. We're going to be giving away some tools in the future. Honestly, you know what? Make a comment down below if you watch this far. I'm going to buy a battery. I have a bunch of extras of these. I'll be giving one away to one of you. That way, you got the battery, you can get some tools and whatnot. And you can get moving, get doing your stuff. Just comment down below. You can comment anything. You can comment ham sandwich if you want. It seems to be a common thing. So that said, I will catch you later. Have a good one, and just remember, don't die.